it? He said, I'll have a little caper for breakfast. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Push.
What?
Push me.
Push you closer?
Yeah.
Can you ask nice?
Nice.
What are you eating?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. All right, guys, I'll be back, okay? What do you want to do today?
Go to my mama's house.
You want to go to Mimi's house? All right, you be good for Daddy, okay? I'll see you later. Good morning, guys. I am on my way bright and early to a baby shower. So I left the kids home with Andrew, so he's in charge. But Oakley should be going down for a nap, and Emerson is like super easy these days. But welcome to a vlog. This is the weekend for us as I'm filming this, and I have a lot to update you guys on, so it's gonna be a good day. But first, I'm off to a baby shower for just an hour or so. So I just got done at the baby shower, and it was really sweet and really fun. I brought her a big old box of diapers because you can never have too many diapers. And then I also gave her some stuff for her. I gave her a Mama Calm roller that has like some really just calming essential oils in them. And then also some bath salts, like Epsom salts with lavender and frankincense and Gentle Baby, which got me through pregnancy. I took so many baths, especially at the end of pregnancy when my body just like ached and all that. And those were like the best baths of my life, so I gave her all that. I was gonna go home, but I never really get the chance to get out of the house by myself without the kids. Can you guys hear over there? So I am taking this opportunity to go to Lowe's really quick. I've been wanting to come to Lowe's to pick up a flower. There's like this big giant pot that the people who lived in the house we live in previously had left. It's a big, beautiful pot, and it's full of dead plants right now. So I've been meaning to get some just like really pretty, fresh flowers and put them in the pot. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I've actually never planted flowers. This will be a first for me, but I think it'll be fun. So let's go do that. Also, this video is sponsored by HelloFresh. So when I get home from the baby shower today, I will show you what we're having for lunch. This is our planter that I was talking about that I wanted to get a plant for, because as you can see, this is completely dead, and it has pretty much been dead since we moved in. So I'm gonna rip everything out of here, and then this is what I got to plant inside of it. It is a pink garden begonia, and the reason I picked this one is because we used to have these in our yard growing up. My mom always had some kind of begonias, so I don't know, I just felt kind of nostalgic, and that's why I went with this one. Plus it just looks so pretty and fresh, and I think it's gonna look really good in there. And then I could not help myself, and I bought this little guy. I don't know even what he is, but he's really cute, and I thought that I would plant him in the kitchen. It's an indoor plant, and it doesn't need very much light and watering, so I thought this would look really cute. Planted in like a little white pot, and I think that's gonna look really cute and freshen the kitchen up, so I couldn't help myself. This is a exotic angel plant. Oh no, this is called a golden pothos, so in case anyone's wondering. All right, so we are about to fix some lunch, and we're gonna have HelloFresh today. So let me show you what we're having today. What we love about HelloFresh is that everything comes pre-packaged, pre-portioned. I don't have to think about anything. I don't have to think about what I'm gonna cook that week or go to the grocery store or plan. It just comes to my door. Everything is ready for me, and everything is usually really, really good. So today, let me show you what we're making. So this is what we're making today for lunch. It's Tuscan sausage sausage and pepper spaghetti. This looks really, really good. They always send you a recipe card, so even if you're not a very good cook, they give you all of the step-by-step instructions, and it's just really easy. So let's get it out of the fridge. I'm gonna need these 2 packages of sausage, and then also this little brown baggie of Tuscan sausage and pepper spaghetti ingredients. This is lunch today. It's the spaghetti, spicy with some sausage, and I just had so many of the noodles by themselves. The noodles were so good, but I'm gonna have it as the spaghetti now. I'm really excited because it's so good. If you guys want to check out HelloFresh for yourselves, which I cannot recommend them enough, then use the link that I have in the description box down below and use the code SimplyAllieYT80 for $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. Oh no, that's okay. I wonder why it's all wet. I don't know if I've showed you guys this, but I ended up planting a tomato out here because I wanted one at the house. So we have 9 plants out at my mom's house in the garden, and then, you know, I just figured we needed one more. But it's kind of nice to have this just to like be able to look at it every single day, come out here and water it. Got 3 little tomato plants. This one is a Husky cherry red, so little tiny tomatoes.
Mama, I'm with you.
Poor bro. Oh, good. Do some cleaning up, huh?
Oh, that was loud.
There he goes. Got an ouchie on your face?
Yeah, but I got it off.
I love the butt. Everything is, I think I got a little ouchie, but I got it off. I'm gonna put Oakley down for a nap, and then hopefully Emerson will also go down for a nap at the same time. And then, whew, that's bright. We are going to like a family early Father's Day dinner a little bit later tonight. So gotta get all our naps in, and I think Andrew and I are gonna like take a breather because these kids are kind of wild today. You ready for a nap? Echo woke up. You're so cute. These little teeth just kill me. Look at him. Good morning. Good morning, big guy. Look how giant he is compared to me. Later. What I wanted to show you guys is this headboard. We finally got a headboard, and I'm so in love with it. It's so cute, and it's actually really good quality. I was kind of nervous based off of some of the pictures. We got it from Wayfair, by the way. I'm gonna look and see if they have it back in stock, but we bought it, and then I looked the next day and it was gone. So it's like we bought the last one. So I'll see. I don't know if it comes and goes on Wayfair, but I'll look. If it's on the website, then I will link it in the description box for you guys. But we got it from Wayfair, and we're really happy, and it finally feels like we have like a little bit more of a put together room. I'm not, do you see this wall back there? That's an accent wall, and we didn't realize it was an accent wall until like a little while ago. I don't love it. I don't feel like it goes very well with the headboard now, and we're definitely going to change out these lamps because they're silver, and I don't like that at all. So I have some work to do, but a headboard is a start, and then possibly switch out these big pillows, or at least the pink one. I don't love the pink one, but yeah, there it is. And then Andrew just got my dad his Father's Day gift. Andrew is seriously the best at getting gifts for people. I am not good, but Andrew is really observant, and he notices what people need and what they want and what they say and talk about. So my dad's been into grilling lately. Like, this is the stereotypical Father's Day gift. Hey, bye-bye. But my dad legit is into it right now and needs the stuff. So my dad's getting a charbroil grill utensil set. These are actually kind of nice. And then my dad needed a digital thermometer because he has a smoker and he didn't have a digital one, so he got that. And then I don't know if you guys know, but you're not supposed to use the wire brushes because like the wire pieces can come out into your and like get into your food, which would not be good if you ate. So this one's plastic, so this is going to be good to help my dad clean the grill. And then Andrew, I'm telling you, he's so thoughtful. I have been using just like some, I don't know, school scissors. I don't know what you call them, but like scissors, normal scissors to garden with. And so Andrew picked me up a pair of gardening shears. So that'll be nice to harvest stuff and prune stuff. Smokey, hello. You are handsome. You are handsome. You want to see yourself? There's a good looking guy. You know you're good looking, huh? Yay! Is that fun? Is that fun? So we came back from my parents' house. We had a lovely little night, and now the kids are in bed. I'm about to get in the shower and call it a night. I meant to update you guys on something that is really exciting and really huge in our life right now, and I wanted to do it with Emerson, but by the time we got home, Oakley was like way up past his bedtime, and Emerson was kind of too, so it was too much to try and like get her to sit down and talk to the camera. But Emerson is officially potty trained. I am so excited and so proud of her. It kind of happened out of the blue, and I would like to do a whole sit down video talking about how we potty trained, but basically, you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, that we had tried once before. It was actually Easter weekend, and it was bad timing. I don't know what I was thinking trying to do it on Easter weekend, and it didn't work. She sort of got it, but like didn't. So we said, you know what, we're just gonna stop, not do anything on Sunday, which was Easter, and we'll try again, you know, when she's ready. because she just didn't feel ready. Well, then we were at my parents' house. I think this was just like a week ago, and Emmy was in her swimsuit and we kind of forgot, and then we like went into the house, totally forgot she was not in a diaper, and out of the blue she's like, "Mom, I have to go." And we're like, what? So we rushed her over to the toilet, and sure enough, she like went. So then we're like, well, if she can tell us and know not to go in her swimsuit, and she can tell us that she has to go, like, she is so ready. So we just did it. Like, the next morning we woke up, put her in her big girl underwear, and here we are now. Like, it is official that she is potty trained. She goes number 1 and number 2 in the toilet. And that is such a relief to have her out of diapers. And it just feels good. We feel ready. So that's exciting. And that's our big update, like our big life update. So funny. Today we were leaving my mom's house, and we actually carry the little like toilet seat that goes on top of the big toilets. We like carry it back and forth. We totally need to get another one from my mom's house, but we like carry it back and forth. So I was like walking out of their house tonight to come back home, and I had like an armful of just baby stuff, wet clothes from them swimming, baby food, toys, and then a toilet seat. I felt like such a mom tonight. But yeah, that's our big update. I feel like there's so much more to update you guys on, but I'll do that in another video. But that's it for today. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. Thanks for watching. We sure love hanging out with you guys, and I hope you do too. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel if you haven't done so already. Follow us on Instagram at allie_gooch to keep up with us there on a more day-to-day basis. And don't forget to check out HelloFresh. Use the link in the description box below and use the code SimplyAllieYT80 for $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.